Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we are going to look at the Lews Mach 2 combo. Just a brief summary overall on the reel and the rod, and then we're going to take some casts down on the lake and see how it does. Hope y'all enjoy. This is only the second bait caster I've owned. I've only been bass fishing a year or two, but I have to say, so far really enjoying it. EV foam in the back feels nice and comfortable. All the materials on this rod feel like they're pretty good quality stuff, and they're not going to fall apart on me within the first year of using it. The drag system is great. Star feels really nice and solid. I like that it's metal. As far as tuning goes, very simple to use, very controllable, and I do like the loud audible clicks while tuning, because that really does help me get an idea. Now, as far as the spool goes, it's really tight and snug, which I do like, because I own another Lews Speed Spool LFS or something, and my biggest problem with that is that the spool actually moves around a little bit inside, and that can really mess up my casting. It seems to give me more bird's nest. But the look of this rod and reel combo is absolutely sick, and that's something that Lews does very well along with 13 Fishing. 7-foot rod, it's medium heavy action, fast tapper, so it's more for my frogs, my poppers, anything like that. I've got 65-pound braid on here so I can really yank back on them if I need to, and hopefully if I get stuck I can get the baits out. Smaller eyes, which really do help with casting, so I can really get it out there. That is my very quick overview of the rod. One more thing. 10 ball bearing system and 7.5 to 1 gear ratio, which is very nice for all around baits. Go ahead, get this thing out, and we'll start casting in a little bit. So here we are, everything's set up. We're going to go ahead and take a few casts and see how this thing is. Super smooth coming off the spool, no problems with the casting as far as that goes. I had it tuned up a little bit, it was a rough tune. Now I can really set it, dial it in if I wanted to, but retrieving it, that 7.5 to 1 gear ratio is good enough to where I can slowly move that frog back to me if I wanted to, or if I want to go ahead and get it in real quick and get another cast out at where a fish may be popping the surface. No problem with that whatsoever. Again, very, very accurate with bait casters, one of the biggest things. Over spinning reels, because that's my background, spinning reels. I came to a bait caster not knowing anything about them, and I've fallen in love. But 10 ball bearing system, the retrieval is incredibly smooth. It's definitely one of the smoothest bait casters I've ever casted, and it's better than most spinning reels I've casted, so that feels absolutely incredible. The rod, no problem there. If I got this lure stuck or something, I could really pull back on this without any worries of it snapping or anything like that, so really enjoying the setup so far. Not only that, but one thing many of my friends have said is that this is one awesome looking setup. The green line, is it really that user-friendly, especially for catching fish? Probably not, but it does pretty much stand out, I will say. I don't think it's going to kill my chances of catching fish. I'll probably end up changing it out. It's just something I have laying around for salt water. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Mach 2. If you did, please share, like, subscribe. That would definitely help me out. And thanks for watching.